Hello everyone, today in this video we will be looking at how to use NetHunt CRM. What is NetHunt CRM? NetHunt CRM is a cloud-based CRM tool that integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace. It is designed for businesses that rely heavily on Google's suite of productivity tools such as Gmail, Google Contacts, and Google Calendar. NetHunt CRM offers a user-friendly interface that helps businesses organize, track, and manage customer interactions and sales processes right from within Gmail. Unlike traditional CRMs that operate as separate platforms, NetHunt CRM allows users to handle customer data, emails, appointments, and sales activities all within the familiar Google ecosystem. It is best suited for small to medium-sized businesses that want an efficient, Google-integrated solution for managing leads and automating their sales pipeline. Key features of NetHunt CRM. NetHunt CRM comes with a variety of powerful features to enhance your sales and customer management processes. Email integration. Direct integration with Gmail, allowing users to track conversations, manage emails, and convert them into leads. Lead management. Track leads, assign them to team members, and move them through the sales pipeline stages. Customizable dashboards. Design personalized dashboards to track sales metrics and monitor performance. Sales automation. Automate repetitive tasks such as email follow-ups, reminders, and lead tracking to save time and effort. Google Calendar Sync. Automatically sync meetings and appointments with Google Calendar, keeping everything organized. Reporting and analytics. Generate reports to track sales performance, team activities, and lead conversion rates. Mobile access. Access your CRM system on the go with a mobile app available for iOS and Android. Step 1. Sign up for NetHunt CRM. Open your web browser and go to the NetHunt CRM website, www.nethunt.com. Create an account. Click the Get Started button to create a new account. Use your Google Workspace credentials to sign up and connect your Gmail and other Google services with NetHunt CRM. Step 2. Link your Google Workspace account. Google Workspace integration. After signing in, NetHunt will ask you to link your Google account. Click Allow when prompted to give NetHunt permission to access your Gmail, Google Contacts, and Google Calendar. Sync your contacts. Once integrated, all your contacts in Google Contacts will automatically sync with NetHunt CRM. You will have access to customer details, email conversations, and notes in one place. Step 3. Customize your dashboard. NetHunt CRM allows you to customize your dashboard so that you can see the most important metrics at a glance. Go to the dashboard. From the main NetHunt CRM interface, click on the dashboard in the left sidebar. Add widgets. On the dashboard, you'll see different widgets like sales pipeline, revenue forecast, and leads. Click Add Widget to choose what information you want to see. Drag and drop. You can easily rearrange the widgets by dragging them to your desired position, giving you a personalized view of your data. Set up KPIs. You can also add key performance indicators, KPIs, to track specific business metrics, such as lead conversion rates or average deal size. Step 4. Adding and managing leads. Managing your leads is a critical function of any CRM, and NetHunt CRM provides an easy way to track and nurture leads through the sales process. Add new leads. Go to the Leads tab on the left sidebar. Click Add Lead and fill in the contact's details, such as name, email, phone number, company, and lead source. Assign leads. After adding a lead, assign it to the appropriate sales representative on your team. Track lead progress. NetHunt CRM offers a visual sales pipeline where you can move leads between different stages. Click and drag leads to progress them through stages like new lead, contacted, negotiation, and close. Add notes and attachments. For each lead, you can add detailed notes, tasks, and upload important files such as contacts or proposals. This keeps all communication and documentation in one place. Step 5. Automating your sales process. Create a new workflow. For the Automation tab, click Create Workflow. Set triggers. Choose a trigger for the workflow, such as when a lead enters a specific stage or when a deal is created. Define actions. Define what actions will happen when the trigger is activated. For example, you can set up an automated email to be sent to the lead when they enter the negotiation stage, or automatically assign a lead to a specific team member. Save and enable workflow. Once you have created the workflow, save it and enable it. The system will now run the workflow automatically based on the triggers you have set. Step 6. Using NetHunt CRM for email marketing. Create a campaign. Go to the campaign section and click Create Campaign. Send and track campaign. After sending, you can track the campaign's performance by viewing open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Step 7. Syncing with Google Calendar. NetHunt CRM will automatically sync with your Google Calendar. Any meetings or tasks scheduled in your Google Calendar will appear in the CRM. Schedule meetings. You can directly schedule meetings and sync them with your calendar from within NetHunt CRM. Step 8. Reporting and Analytics. NetHunt CRM allows you to generate detailed reports to track the performance of your sales team, lead conversions, and overall business health. Access reports. Click on the Reports tab on the left sidebar. Generate sales reports. You can generate reports based on various criteria such as sales performance, lead conversion rates, or team productivity. Custom reports. You can also create custom reports by choosing specific metrics and timeframes. Export data. Reports can be exported in different formats such as PDF or Excel for easy sharing with your team or management. Step 9. Using NetHunt CRM on the go. NetHunt CRM offers a mobile app for both Android and iOS, allowing you to access your CRM data while on the move. Download the app. Go to the Google Play or Apple App Store and search for NetHunt CRM. Log in. After installing the app, log in with your Google Workspace credentials. Access leads and emails. You will have full access to your leads, email communications, tasks, and calendar on the go. In conclusion, NetHunt CRM is an easy-to-use tool designed to help businesses manage customer relationships, track sales, and automate tasks. It works smoothly with Google Workspace, which includes Gmail, Google Contacts, Google Calendar, and other Google tools that many businesses use every day. This means that if your business already uses Google services, NetHunt CRM can help keep everything in one place, making it easier to stay organized. With NetHunt CRM, you can manage your leads, potential customers directly from your Gmail inbox. You can add new leads, track their progress through different stages of the sales process, and even automate tasks like sending follow-up emails or setting reminders for your team. This saves time and reduces manual work, making the sales process more efficient. And that is all there is on how to use NetHunt CRM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.